that for a setup? So we're gonna go up the ladder. Got our second little ladder there. We're gonna go from the balcony up to the roof. This should work out a treat. Let's go. Just like that. Righto, here we are. Friday, lovely day, better than yesterday. It was raining yesterday. We're on a tiled roof. It's good because it's the thicker profile tile. Happy about that. We are doing a gutter clean out and a solar panel clean up here. Should be a nice simple job. Guttering isn't too bad. It's just that little bit down there by the looks of it. And out the back where there's I think it's a Ponciana tree growing over the gutters, so that should be interesting. Yeah, let's get going. There we have it, 10 solar panels all cleaned, looking very shiny, very gleaming. And we had 4 up there on that section of roof, and another 4 on that flat section there. 18 solar panels, gutter clean, all done. Let's move on to the next one.